There are multiple steps involved between selecting the font and seeing it applied in the application. The first step is to find the font when the given font is selected. This is where Fontconfig or FC comes in. As the name suggests, Fontconfig is the librarian that holds the list of available fonts to use by the applications. When Xterm asks for the departure mono font, Fontconfig checks the list it manages and returns the font or the file that it held against departure mono font. We can see the Fontconfig catalog by running fc list command. Let me do it again, and here it is. It returns a big list because I have so many fonts installed on my computer. As you can see here in the output, some fonts are stored at the system level, whereas some fonts are stored at the user location level. Oops, I'm unable to select it, but here it is. There are a couple of folders or a location where Fontconfig look for the font that I have mentioned in the reference documentation of this video. Please refer it. You can filter this big list by passing the possible filter option after the column. For example, if I want to filter the list, for example, list by just file name, I can pass file after the column. Or maybe I can do it by family as well, and it will return the list of font family that I have on my computer. Let me show you the departure mono font entry in this catalog, as we have applied it recently in the Xterm application. So fc list family, and then let me grab it with the departure, for example. And here it is. I have the departure mono because I will install it from the official website, and that's why you are seeing the output departure mono over here when I run this command. Apart from this fc list command, we have a few more commands such as fc match, fc query, fc cache, fc scan, etc. Again, refer the documentation for more information. I have added this documentation in a description of this video.